Welcome back to our channel. I have learned dark scoping in both shotguns and snipers. So I'm just showing you the clip with my subscriber. Actually, he wasn't my sniper before, but he said that if I will 1v1 him and win against him, so he will subscribe. I said, let the game begin. As you can see, I'm missing so many shots because I've just learned it today. Hit marker. How? I got one shot in those 8 bullets and still a hit marker. Come on. So you might be asking, what is dark scoping? Dark scoping is not like you can see my right bottom button is the ADS button. I'm not even pressing it, because pressing the ADS and versus dark scope is more faster. You just have to press the scope button and then the top left button. You need to play with a claw to do that thing. It's very difficult, it takes some time, but practice it and you will be master in it. Pro players like Little B, iFerg and many more use that. Sometimes, not always. What the? How? Yes, sir. Where are you? Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. Just see that dark scope. Man, that's dadgum. He took snipers off. Oh no. Oh no. Let's just take Ashen Viper. I will use dark scope again. No. Yes, sir. This is called dark scope, you idiot. I was going to say the word idiot, but some people oppose me that I shouldn't say idiot, so I didn't say it and just say Now you might be thinking, am I using ADS in shotguns or not? Am I fooling you? I'm not, because you can see my buttons. They both are normal hip fire buttons. So it clearly states that I am using dark scoping. This was a normal kill without scoping. Why is he running? And I won. Thank you for watching.